Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshall, where we talk about handbags and lifestyle and fashion. And I have for you guys an Amazon unboxing. I have one bag, two bags, and I have a box. Okay, so if you're interested to see what I got, just hang around because I'm telling you, these bags are going to be amazing. I ordered them off of Amazon because when I saw them, I was like, you know what? These are reasonably priced handbags. They would match my wardrobe and really accentuate some of the looks that I plan to have for this spring and summer. So I ordered them. They were at such a, like I said, at such a reasonable price. It's like, why not? Okay. So let's see what I got. So with this box, I'm just going to reach down. I've opened it up. I've got all the paper, so I'm just going to throw that on the floor. And with these bags, and I'll say all of the bags that I'll be showing you guys today are under $50. And in the description, I will have the cost of the bag and the link to where you can purchase them on Amazon. Actually, I have an Amazon storefront, so I will include that link. So this bag is from a company called Fox Lover. And when I saw it, I said, well, you know, I really, oh, y'all. Caught me mid-sentence. Look at her. Look at her. She's a bucket bag. She is so cute. She is one of another designer inspired bag. And for the price, like I said, under $50, you can't beat it. I mean, I'm gonna take this off. So she is so pretty, and she comes with a crossbody strap, y'all. You know, this summer you put her with a pair of tan sandals. She would be amazing. Look at that. And like I said, she comes with a crossbody strap. And absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take this off. Let's connect her up so we can see what she's working with. And I ended up getting this bag in another color as well because you guys, as soon as you see it, you're gonna go, yeah, we knew she had to get it in that color. But isn't it beautiful? Okay, y'all, it doesn't have feet, but it does have protective pads on the bottom. And like I said, under $50, I got both of these bags for under $50. This is also, it's by the same company. And let's see. She's in a different color. Now, considering the last video I had, and I went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs for the Demolier bag. When I saw it in this color, I had to get it as well because I love the black and the tan. And the Demolier bag had a color. The colorway was black and tan and black and white. I just think for the spring and summer, like I said, this bag with a pair of black shoes or tan shoes, this will go with any and everything. And what this baby won't pick up, this one will. So you got your brown look and you got your black look. And like I said, you get both of these bags for under $50. So yeah, these are amazing. So let's see what else the Amazon handbag fairy dropped off. And don't worry, like I said, I'll have the bag information in the description for you so you can see. This one, I think you guys are really gonna like this one. This is an East-West. Guys, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look at this one. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? And she does come, she comes with a strap. So let's take this off. And oh, look at that. Look at that closure. Just, you guys know I love East-West bags. And with this bag, this is so cute. This one you would go from day to night very easily. You could wear this one to work, out if you're going to brunch with someone. Look, oh my goodness. Now usually I do a fit test to see what fits inside these bags, and I'm going to push the bottom down. Baby got feet. Baby got feet. Yes, she has feet on her. So, and you guys know, maybe it's my Pisces nature that makes me always look for bags with feet. But I like this one because she's nice and slim. She fits right in that curve that I like. And I think she would be amazing. Very lightweight. She is not leather. She is leather-like. But I think for the price of this bag, I think she's very stylish and she can go in a lot of places. So that's that. Now with this one, as soon as I take this one out, you guys are gonna know who she is. Designer inspired. There are a couple designers that I always have on the site that I love, and one of them is Coach. You know that. So we're gonna pull this baby out. She was under $30. And okay, she also comes with a dust bag. Who does she look like? She looks like, I believe, Brooklyn. And it's got a lot of space in here. I could carry forever in this bag. It comes with a snap that keeps the top closed. It also has a pocket on the inside. Let's open this up. Oh, it's got like a felt or suede on the inside of this bag. Okay, it's got a pocket that goes across the back of the bag. Now, no, she is not Coach. No, she is not leather. She's their second cousin. But if you are going for that look for less, she's your girl. If you just want something quick, you're traveling, you don't want to take an expensive bag with you, so this is the perfect substitute for that. I know some folks when they travel, they're like, well, I'm not going to wear my wedding ring. I'm going to leave my wedding ring at home, and I'm going to go with another ring that's cubic zirconian, or what is it, moissanite, and leave their diamond at home. This is your moissanite right here. And in fact, you can carry her on your everyday. Just throw your stuff in. This would be a good Saturday shopping bag too, because she could carry a lot. You can put your iPad in here, your phone, all of those things that I usually carry when I do my bag test will easily fit in this bag. And you can dress her. Oh, we gonna dress her. Hold on for 1 minute. I just did a dress the bag video, and I dressed this bag with the chain and the charm. So let's take the chain and the charm off of this bag and let's connect it to this one and see how it looks. Because she's kind of in plain Jane mode. But I think if we gave her some, if we, like they say, zhuzhed her up, I think she would be a stunner. So yes, she is what do they say, a #1 stunner. And it's about to storm here. So like my grandma said, the Lord is getting ready to do his work. But so I'm trying to beat the clock, trying to beat the storm. So this is this bag. I could put an extender. In fact, that's what I am going to do. Is I am going to put an extender on here, so we have a little bit more drop. And I have a gold one. So guys, hang with me for a minute. So we have a gold extender, and we'll put that on here, and we will run this around. and it will give us some of the drop that we need to have or would like to have. Let's, oops, if I did it right. So yeah, so it does spruce up the bag a little bit, but yeah, you can add various charms to it, and she's not a bad looking bag on her own. So yeah, there she is. I know I've kind of sped my way through this haul, but it is about to storm here pretty in a couple minutes, and I don't want to be taping with all these lights and everything in the storm. So, but in any case, those are the bags that I got, guys, from off of Amazon. They were each under $40, that's for sure. This one is a dupe for the Coach bag. Like I said, no, she's not leather. She's their second cousin, okay? But you get the look for less with this bag. You have this beauty. Like I said, this bag, this is gonna be my girl. She gonna be that girl. I'm gonna be rocking her when I'm not rocking her or wearing my other, the Empire. I like the size of this bag, and I think she's perfect. So I have her, and then I have the twins over here. And like I said, these bags are so nice. Oh my goodness. And they come with this handle so you can carry it on your shoulder. And that's not really bad on your shoulder either. You can carry it like this, or you could put the crossbody strap with it, so you can get a lot of looks out of these bags. And in fact, I was checking to see if you could take off take off this handle, but no, you can't. But in any case, this one is absolutely gorgeous, and so is her twin. So in the summer, spring and summer, you can't miss with these two, because if you're wearing brown, you wear this baby. If you're wearing black, you wear this baby. And you can get both of these bags for under, I think I got both of them for definitely under $50. So please check out the links in the description. And thank you for watching this video of my dog, this unboxing from Amazon. And if you have any questions about these bags, please reach out to me in the comments. Please click on like and subscribe, because that helps us to grow our channel, and you'll also get notifications of whenever we're uploading content. So please share this video with your family and friends, and until the next time, you take care of yourself, okay? And peace.